Sean again, an application engineer here at Datac Instruments. In previous examples, we discussed triggering the flow of data into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet using analog inputs. In this ExcelLink tutorial, we'll show you how to trigger the flow of data into Microsoft Excel using the digital channel. Most of our contemporary products feature 7 discrete digital ports, labeled D0 through D6 on the DI4208-E that we'll use for this example. When enabling a digital channel in WinDAC, you'll notice that channel has a decimal value of 127. That's because the 7 digital ports on the DI4108-E represent a 7-bit binary number. And since all of those ports are pulled high by default, the decimal equivalent is 127. If we pull a couple of those ports low by shorting them to ground, D0 and D5 in this example, we remove those bit values, and the total drops to 94. With those principles in mind, we'll enable the digital channel and run Advanced Trigger ExcelLink to demonstrate how to trigger the flow of data into a spreadsheet using the digital ports. We'll begin by choosing the Slope tab. Since we know that the digital channel is channel 9, we'll choose to stream data into Microsoft Excel when channel 9 is equal to 94. As we discussed before, this happens when D0 and D5 are pulled low. We'll choose to stream 1 data point pre-trigger and 5 post-trigger once those ports are pulled low. As you can see, once D0 and D5 are pulled low and the decimal value drops to 94, 6 total data points stream into Microsoft Excel. We can also stream data into Microsoft Excel based on a rate, using the rate channel labeled D2 on the DI4108-E that we're using here. To do so, we'll enable the rate channel, run Advanced Trigger ExcelLink as we've done before, and we'll choose to stream data into Microsoft Excel when the rate channel, displayed here as channel 10, exceeds 150 Hertz. We'll choose 10 pre- and post-trigger points, and as you can see, once the frequency exceeds 150 Hertz, 20 data points stream into Excel. In a similar fashion, we can also stream data based on a count, using the count channel labeled D3. Again, we'll run Advanced Trigger ExcelLink, and we'll choose to stream data when channel 11, the rate channel, the count channel, exceeds 20, and we'll stream 5 pre- and post-trigger points. So as you can see here, once the count reaches 20, data streams into Microsoft Excel. You can also use more advanced methods to stream data into Excel. As soon as the event channel is triggered, for example, when the counter channel changes value, or even when the count channel is a multiple of 10. You'll find more information on those methods by clicking the link below.